On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chip's low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chip's low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chip's low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning. What is going on, everybody? Otter gang. Hopefully everyone's doing well. What a beautiful day. Bitcoin breaking out right now, actually. Oh, we're getting above that VWAP, pushing above the momentum. Can we continue here? I am nodding along. Maybe we're going to go to the moon today. Maybe we're not. Who cares? Let's go. 2 for 2 yesterday. Let's see if we can find some more today. What's going on, everybody? Make sure you guys sing good morning. Bitcoin breaking out right now. Looking to continue. We'll see if we get that continuation. The long was given yesterday on that 2-hour trigger wave last night to the gang. Right now we're breaking out of this momentum, looking strong. I think one of our channel members said, our Discord member said, possibly a good scalp long right now. High up on a rock. I'm sorry, bro. You were right. You were right. High up on a rock. Kind of like this area as a scalp long. You know, the thought was absolutely correct, man. I like that. I like that. It's just, what's the confirmation in here, right? What's the confirmation right here? There is no real confirmation. You're below VWAP. You're in a downtrend, right? So these are the things that we kind of, you know, the recognition of a higher low and a possible push back up is great. I want to know what high up on a rock's magical intuition is, because he called it. He called it. Maybe it's a candle pattern here. I don't know. But whatever. He was right. He was right, you know. At the end of the day, though, what is my job? My job is to really protect people, but at the other end, we want strategy involved here. So this is a higher low. Continuation out. Nice push up, break of momentum. So now we're looking for retest continuation. We're not chasing price. If we were to get long in this general area, we would be hitting our head on VWAP, and we typically chop VWAP, in my experience. So we want confirmation. A strong move through VWAP is typically bullish. So now we're in the camp to potentially go long. Doesn't mean we're necessarily going to go long just yet. We are still making lower highs currently. Okay, and getting everybody all excited this morning. And you know what? I like getting excited, but I also like making money consistently. So these are the things we try to prepare everybody for, okay? So thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 93 people in here. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you're having a wonderful morning. Bitcoin's trying to push right now. We are looking for an ETH bounce, currently off the retest of the lows here. We are looking for an ETH bounce down below here. Sui, looking for the bounce as well. Virtuals, looking for the bounce as well. I think someone mentioned BitTensor. Tau. Tau is in our buy level. Let's see. Yeah, Tau would be in our buy level as well. Got to zoom out here. Higher term time frames for this swing trades. Yeah, so we're in this buy level here for Tau as well. Head and shoulders, guys. Okay, so a little bit of caution in my opinion here. Render to FET. Okay, renders in back. We gave the render trade back in here now, and it went all the way up. I mean, the setups have been great. 11% setup there. Now we're back in this area. This is like second attempt. Okay, this is not like the original trade. The original trade was back here. It pumped 11%. Pretty nice. Ondo. I think we have a different Ondo chart. Yeah, same thing with Ondo. So look at this. We gave the Ondo trade set up here. Amazing. Ondo went 10%, and now it's right back to where it started. So it's not like this level is invalidated. It's just that the liquidity has been swept out of this general area. So you would typically expect a little lower, and then you go, just because you'd want it to do a job before reversing. Okay? These are things I consider. The level is still valid, except what has changed is that this low is now your liquidity, right? So you could be possibly looking for this a little bit lower and that continuation out. Same with something like BitTensor here, right? So this is your low here, right? And you have swept it, right? So you are looking down here generally, but I'd still be very interested in something like in here, right? I'd be interested in this. So I wouldn't generally be taking that BitTensor trade just yet. I'd be looking a little bit lower, down at about 388. Just to kind of clarify that for the members in the Discord. We did go through and spent like 4 hours yesterday in our Discord, and we went through and organized, because people said they wanted a course, and it would take me a while to build a course. However, we do a massive amount of lessons every single week. So I have gone through our whole family lessons in here, and I have organized it into all the videos, must videos. Okay, you got all these videos, you got bonus videos, you got general trading, you got VWAP videos, you got 3 VWAP videos, you got SFP videos, you got orb videos. Who wants to learn how to trade the orb? Fibonacci videos, you got order block videos, you got structure videos, you got all of Brewberry's videos, structure as well, mindset, market cipher, volume. I mean, it did take me forever, but I mean, you guys know I will crush it for you guys always. So hopefully you guys enjoy that, because I spent a lot of time doing that yesterday. So hopefully that's good for everybody. But let's say good morning. And I don't believe you guys. You guys, one has to go. So you got cookies, pizza, steak, and cake. And you guys say cake. So like you're gonna eat a steak and you're not gonna have some cheesecake after it. Huh? You're gonna have some pizza, but you ain't gonna have some, angel food cake. You're gonna keep cookies over cake. I think I would get rid of cookies. I mean, I'm a sucker for a cookie. A nice white macadamian cookie. Ooh, moist, soft, but still scrummy. Oh man, you guys making me hungry. What's going on, everybody? Thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for smacking up that like button. You guys are incredible. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Good morning, everybody. Ezra, good morning. Good morning, Jesse. What's going on, Jesse? VWAP retest right now. Possible long opportunity here. Considering a long right now. It seems like this is too easy. This seems too easy to me. I think this is more likely. This seems too easy. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. I would love to know. This seems too easy right now. Sometimes it is too easy, guys. 12-hour anchor wave. Yeah, so we're waiting for a trigger. 24 trigger wave. This looks nice as well. Jeez, you're teasing me, Bitcoin. Hourly trigger wave to the downside. Okay. Hidden. Yeah, okay. Yeah, no trade here, guys. No trade. Chopping VWAP is my assumption, okay? Chopping the VWAP. Okay? I think this is a little bit of a hopium pump, getting everybody excited, and then they're gonna dish up some humble pie, man. So let's be patient here. We got jobs news at 10 a.m. today, so we'll stay a little bit longer on the live stream. Steve Hickey, what's going on? Good morning, bro. Good to see you. Duality, good to see you, man. Lomkey, good morning. Good to see you. Alexandra G. I haven't thrown some Alexandra G emojis in a while, so I'm going to do that. Okay. Did you guys answer me? Are you guys long or are you short? Long. 4? What's 4, Pink? They're sitting on hands as 3. 4 is just chilling on the wanking chariot. Long, short, long, short, long, short. Okay, mixed signals in here, guys. Remo, what's going on? Good to see you as well. Thank you for being here. Shriyan, good morning. Good to see you. Hopefully you're having a wonderful morning. I reported that poll. Yeah, I don't know about you guys getting rid of cake, man. You guys are sick. You guys are nasty, man. You guys are nasty. Quick Smoker, what's going on? Good afternoon. No, good evening for you. Good evening. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day and had a wonderful day in Australia, mate. How was your Tuesday? You're ahead of us, right? You've had your Tuesday, I'm pretty sure. I lived in Australia. I don't even know. Okay. Daniel, what's going on, man? Good to see you. HFG, good morning. Hopefully you're having a wonderful morning as well. Thank you for always being here. What's going up, fam? Fam, scene? Wagwan, bro. Philly Skills in the house. He's bringing out my like downtown Toronto slang. Oh, Jesse, good luck. Rob S, good morning. Good to see you. Ezra, how are we doing? Hopefully everybody's doing well. Wally, HFG, Alex Moto. What's going on, man? Great name, Alex. Love it. The hot air balloon himself, Mr. Paul. What's going on, bro? Good to see you. Michael B, good morning. Good to see you. What's up? How we doing? How was everybody's trading yesterday? I made $900 yesterday. I had a great day. Easy scalps. That's it. That's all it was. Easy peasy scalps. I actually pretty much over traded yesterday. I think it took in the afternoon, I took 6 trades in total, which is I typically take about 3 trades. Looks like we're getting a bounce off VWAP here. No. Tease. It's a tease, guys. It's a tease. They're playing with our emotional heartstrings right now. It's like we need a name for VWAP when she's being a tease, you know? VWAP. What can we say? What V Wanda? Wanda? V Wanda? Maybe it's a Wanda? What would VWAP be? Veronica. Maybe a Veronica. VWAP's being a Veronica. I don't know. We should name the VWAP, shouldn't we? When it's being a little tease. It's trying to go. It is teasing us right now. I don't know. If it was 9:30, 9:45, I'd be taking this trade. It's just not. No, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. Volatility's not there. What's this, 0.4? 0.3. Yeah, it fits. It fits the strategy. Yeah. I ain't going to rush it today, guys. What's going on, PB Stack? Blair Stevenson, good morning. Good to see you. Steve Hickey. Where do I get started? Finding the info from someone on how to get started from the beginning of trading, like what tools to get started. We have a beginner's playlist, Steve Hickey. You can start there, man. Start with paper trading. Get used to charting. Lots of information out there. You don't need to pay for anything. Okay, Crypto Surfer. I want up today, but I don't always get what I want. Right? That's all right. I think we all are a little annoyed with sideways right now. So up would be nice. Down would even be nice. Just go, right? Just go. None of this. Yesterday was a very choppy day. I don't think a lot of people were successful yesterday. Okay, look at this here, right? So we can go from start to finish yesterday, right? And if we look and review that day and we see, hey, hip hip hooray, what really happened and how would you have managed your day? If we look at a general trading day, this is not an easy day to trade, okay? And we were 2 for 2, but what we know is that we're sideways, right? We know that we're sideways and we're chopping between the point of control right now. So whenever we're near the point of control, you must be aggressively taking profits, okay? You must be aggressively going break even. Okay, I can show you like my position history from yesterday and a lot of break even trades, guys, okay? Look at this. These are my last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades, right? And if I show you here, right, we can see, look at how many break-even trades I have, guys. It's a lot, right? A lot of break-even trades, right? So managing yourself, managing your risk in the environment that we're in. We're in a sideways consolidation range and everybody's super bullish, right? So we must be managing our risk, right? Break-even trades are the path to profitability. In my opinion, as a scalper, you protect your downside, right? Right? So you get break even, you see invalidations, you take profit early, right? So we were able to long twice yesterday on the live stream, right? I can't remember the spots we did it, but I was able to long in here. This was my biggest trade of yesterday. That was a pretty good one. Then we, look, it shook us out. I mean, this was with chart hackers, I believe I took this one. Got stopped out here, then it came back in. Yeah. So wasn't an easy trading day yesterday. So, be kind to yourself. Obviously, getting short was the play, but look at the shakeout, right? All the way down. So that's not even holding a short through this, unless you're getting off of that SFP that we saw right early in the morning, right? Unless you got short here, you were challenged 3 times on your way down for the rest of the day. So not a very easy day for everybody. So if you did have a little bit of issues yesterday, that's normal. Those not simple days, okay? Not a simple day. What's going on, Chris? Welcome to the Discord. Hopefully you find what you need. Chris just joined the Discord. God bless you. Thank you for supporting the gang and being part of the gang. We're happy to have you. Lots of stuff to go through, man. Lots of stuff. So, exciting. Thank you for joining, though, man. What's going on, Steve Hickey? Async. Danny G, good morning. Good to see you. Rob M. Rob, good morning. Not Rob M, sorry. Sam Zerker, hello. What's going on? Good morning. Thank you for being here. Steve Hickey, Philip C. Ball Runner. I'm kidding. Bull Runner, what's going on, man? Gang. Little chop here. NASDAQ here. Triple top. Uh-oh. Warning. Morning. Yeah, this comes down to here. Look at that call yesterday. That was good. Lots of consolidation here, too. Bitcoin pushing here. Trying to go. Retest of VWAP continuation trade possibility here. I just didn't like it. I'm not participating in this one, guys. You're more than welcome to. I'm not your financial advisor. This is never financial advice. If you don't know, read the disclaimer at the beginning of the video. It's right in front of your face. Good morning, Mickey. Good to see you. Crypto Surfer, Sharkfin, Ryan Smith. That's amazing. I'm in the Discord and did find it hard to find the lesson sometimes. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so we've organized that. Thank you, Alex. You're the best. No, you're the best, Ryan. You're the best, man. You can be very creative with cookies. They are cake cookies, etc. That's cheating, Dusty. That is totally cheating. Totally cheating. You guys are savage. I can't believe. Who the heck voted out steak? Who put a 1 in the chat if you said no to steak? I don't know if we can be friends, man. What? What? Steak? Yeah, you guys voted for. Yeah, exactly. 1 has to go. It has to go. You have to get rid of it. My God. Donato Cabrera, what's going on? Good morning to you. Good to see you. Jesse, good luck. Dread Mining. He's in a short. Hopefully that plays out for you, man. Purple Patch Services is in a short as well. HRJ, what's going on, bro? I see you hitting those TPs, man. Alexander G, what's going on? Good morning. Crypto Pondering. Hands. John Foster Crypto is long. Gains for life. What's going on, Gains for Life? Good to see you guys. How's everybody doing this morning? Make sure you are saying good morning. Thank you for being here. We're live every single Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Today is going to be an interesting day. We had a good old retracement yesterday and, shaking a lot of people out. A lot of liquidations yesterday. So a lot of people getting leveraged long in this environment. Makes me believe that there could be more pain. And just preparing for that. Did anybody get long off the VWAP slap here? I would love to know. Something I would typically trade. It's just a little bit early. I wasn't feeling it this morning. I don't want to put on risk right now. I'm just kind of relaxing. But you got a VWAP slap, a SFP of the low coming into a fair value gap. Okay, so you have the fair value gap in here. Okay, then you have the SFP of the low. You have a higher low, a break of momentum, a retest of and push through VWAP aggressively, a retest of VWAP, and a continuation out. Okay. Very simple trade setup. And hopefully you guys took it because it looks like it's working right now. Let's go, Bitcoin. Push it, baby. Push it. Don't be a nambe-pambe. Chris, what's going on? Curtis Hill, good to see you. Albert, Rad, Jag, Guk, my man, what's going on, bro? Good to see you in here. Ryan Smith, Aaron, good morning. John Foster, Crypto Surfer, Jesse, good luck. The bird next door, man. What's going on, man? Caca. I feel like I got to say that, man. Good afternoon from London. It was bloody hot, Fat Trick Swayze, when I went to... It was a heat wave and with no air conditioning in England. Ugh, disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. Dusty, what's going on? How about a poll between beer, wine, milk, and Coca-Cola, right? Coca-Cola. Or we'll go Pepsi to be safe. Nice push here for Biddy. Let's go, Biddy. Philly Skills, what's going on? Dusty, HRJ, my man. IKO, what's going on, bro? How you been, IKO? Good to see you in here. Nate's Adventure. No, good morning as we down under. It's good evening. Good evening, mate. Anybody take that long? Let me know. Lucky Deal, good morning. B-Rad, how we doing? R Pink, Crypto Pondering. Repeat the splooshy water today. We hope so. I mean, 2 for 2 yesterday on the live stream. Kicking ass, taking names. Pretty fun. Paul Caruso, my man. Good morning, Lord Otter, King Beaver, and master of all marsupials. Let's go. Gang, gang. Let's go. My chat GPT and my Grok calls me Lord Otter or King Beaver and your otterness. I told it to please address me as Lord Otter, King Beaver. Or your otterness. So it alternates every now and then. It's pretty good. Makes me giggle. Do you guys make your chat GPT or your Grok call you anything? Lord, Sir, Your Highness? Crypto Birdie, good to see you. Jesse's always wondering why we have to ask for likes. I think some people want me to earn my like, right? Some people expect to have good content and then they give the like afterwards, which is fine, man. I like to get to 200 likes per stream. That's about it. And I will ask intermittently to see if anybody does want to slap that like button. I notice you like on time frame 3 minute. Yeah, I live on the 3 minute time frame, Mr. Carlo. I live on the 3 minute. It's just where I reside, man. It's where I've done my back testing. It's where I've found the most success. It's what I teach. It's the candle patterns I trade and have back tested, right? It's the bread and butter, right? Damn, look at this Bitcoin price action. It is going to the moon. Damn, we should have got long, guys. I messed up. Everybody's long. We're all long, right? GG's, everybody. Top of the morning. Al Jr., what's going on, brother? Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Been looking forward to start watching some of your videos. You're amazing. Oh, thank you, man. I appreciate it. You give so much back to your members. I try my best, man. That means a lot. It means a lot. Tex-Mex, BioMex. What's going on, brother? Good to see you here. Thank you for being here. Who's got FOMO? I got FOMO. We got a video. We got a video in the Discord called FOMO Nomo. Maybe we should all watch it right now. Hey, let's go into the family lessons, the mindset videos, and we got FOMO Nomo. Let's see what it says here. Starting a new recording, and we're going to talk about FOMO. So we have a little bit of a FOMO lesson. So what eliminates FOMO? FOMO Nomo. I thought it was a great title. Oh, man. Look at this thing run. Hey, Alex, not possible paying for the premium Discord with crypto. No, not yet, man. We got to wait for that regulation on USDT or whatever, right? It's a business. I don't want to be taking any other payments. Sorry about that. I know it sucks. I mean, we could figure something out, but I really don't think it's like... Crypto's sketchy enough, man. I just think, if you're running a business, you should try to keep it as as safe as possible. Canadian government will come and you want to know the craziest fact about Canada, okay? Canadian Revenue Agency, CRA, which are tax people, okay? They're probably listening to this. There is more CRA agents than military. There are more tax agents than military in Canada. They will find you. I have a specific set of skills, okay? So you don't want to mess with them, man. Pay your taxes. Pay your taxes. Hire an accountant. Whatever you have to do. That's a crazy stat, though. Isn't that crazy? There's a military in Canada? Yeah. Bunch of people on mooses. Tell me you guys are all along, man. Awesome here, Papa O. Hope you are too. Thanks, IKO. Hopefully you're doing well. Pepsi is for posers. Yeah, Pepsi is lame, man. I agree. Tom G, what's going on? Going to die from something might as well be death by bacon and steak. I agree. Some nice female bacon, some maple bacon, ooh, and some steak. Can you please tell me how to clean multiple brush on the chart? Which shortcuts? Alt Z, bro. Just undo, right? Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. This is the Picasso. I'm gonna start selling this. Ba 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 ba. All right. You just undo it. Undo it. Or if you draw it all over the place here, you can go into your object tree here. You can shift, control, and delete them all. Okay. Easy peasy. Hopefully that helps you. What's going on, Sharkfin? Tex-Mex, BioMex, my brother. How you doing? Good to see you. It was so nice meeting you guys in Vegas. Wild Mofo, Gains, long, BTC, Stake 100%, Dusty's long. So you can ask ChatGPT to guess what kind of person you are based on your chat history. Oh, that's bad. I don't know. I say a lot of peculiar things. Sue's looking very weak. There's an A in there somewhere. What's going on, Andreas? Good to see you. Cookie's long. Good to see you, Cookie. Thank you for joining the Discord as well. God bless. Thank you for being part of the gang. Baby Genius. A little bit of retracement here. Coming back, grabbing some late shorts here. Western Ontario. I'm in Toronto, so you guys are family. I'm moving across the country though. I'm out of Ontario, guys. I'm gone. I'm gone. Nice retracement here. Retest of previous highs. Considering a long here. Nice sweep of the highs here. Got a wick test coming in here. Probably a 5-minute wick test. Looking for follow through here. Come on, Bitcoin push, baby. No follow through yet. See if it can push here. A little bit risky up top here. A little overextended here on the 5 minute. I got FOMO, guys, so I'm in, but stop loss at entry. Half a position size. We'll see if it wants to go, man. Oh man, I gotta watch the FOMO no more video, guys. I did take off a little bit here, 25%, just to kind of make it closer to break even. There's a way to participate, right? Safely. Stop loss at entry. We'll see if it does want to continue to run. Not something I would, I can't manage your trade for you. So this is something that I wouldn't give to you guys. Right? I got in. I've hit 25% TP. So I've, if it comes down and stops mid, I lose $30. There's a way to participate safely, right? So we'll see if it does want to run here. If it runs, happy days. If not, it's okay. Risk to reward. We'll see if it does want to go, though. Get ready for wrecked. Let's see. Let's see. Hopefully everybody's doing all right. Randy Hipper in the chat. What's going on, Randy? How you been? Paper Planes, gang. Did you just get back from vacation, Paper Planes? How you doing, brother? Karim? Liquidity sweep, in my opinion. Okay. I say pump it, baby. I say pump it. Let's go. Pump it. Rookie numbers, baby. Let's go, baby. I'm going to take off half up here if it gets there. Let's go, baby. Send it. I don't know if it's working, guys. Don't be a dick for a tick. Take it off or what? Take it, Biddy. There we go. GG's. We in it. Okay, quick $50, guys. Quick $50. Still got 35K on the trade. We'll see if it does want to continue to run here. GG's around the clock. Let's go, GG's. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Another day. I mean, Bitcoin being our bihatch lately, man. Our bihatch, you know? We just be slapping it around. Good fun, man. You guys want to watch the FOMO Nomo video? Little aggressive wick test entry here. That's all it was. You can see the bullish momentum breakout of the VWAP retest continuation trade momentum breakout retest. Little wick test in here, continuation up. It might run. Okay? It might run. If it doesn't, who cares? We've taken some money out of the market. Happy days. Yeah, don't forget Tuesday. Today is a bonus day for trading with me. 2:30 Eastern Standard Time. It's called Sistine Trading, the channel. So I'm live again at 2:30 today. So we can all take some money again from the market, man. I have a specific set of skills. I will search for you. I will find you, and I will I will hug you. I'm out now. Take profit. Let's go, Cookie. Good job, man. Military riding otters. That's the one, man. That's the one. We have a PayPal option. We have a PayPal option for paying for the Discord. I don't know if they accept USDT. I don't know how that works. Might be an option. I don't know. You got to look into it. If you do want to join the premium Discord. I mean, it's $50. It's like the cheapest Discord all around. You get access to 5 traders, amazing people, kicking ass, taking names. Just ask the gang. The gang knows. Let's go, Biddy. Push Bitcoin. Don't be an ambe-pambe. Vincenzo La Spesa. Buongiorno. Come stai? Good to see you, man. Thank you for being here. Eli, what's going on? Good morning to you. Thank you for being here as well. What up, Wave Cypher, my brother? How you doing, bro? Much love. How about that 2-hour trigger wave last night, Wave Cypher? Woo-wee! We called that 2-hour trigger wave. And guess what? It absolutely banged. Bang-dizzled, okay? We called the 2-hour. You don't believe me? That's fine. I got evidence. That's the best thing about it. We go up here. We got 2-hour. Looks super juicy. Look at that. Ooh. 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 Don't we love this right here? Right? Break of momentum. Off we go. And off we went, didn't we? Off we went. Then an update video this morning. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you're having a wonderful morning. 2-hour trigger wave, like we said last night. It did play. Here we go. Right? Easy peasy. Come on, Bitcoin, push. It's being a Sally, isn't it? It's being a Sally. Well, we're in the green. We'll see if it wants to continue to push. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 3 for 3 this week so far. 260 people here taking the trades live. 96 likes. Thank you, guys, for smacking those likes up and hanging out here. God bless you all. I just require you to say good morning. That's it, man. Just say good morning. What's going on, little fish? Liquidity sweep, in my opinion. Lukinov. Okay, yeah, we can come and sweep the high here. So this is probably what Lukinov is thinking about here. We got to change this sweep template here to an extend to the right here. Let's change that here. Extend to the right. Okay. Save as. One sweep. All right, so can we liquidity sweep here? We do have major resistance above us. So when looking at this, what do we understand? Okay, Bitcoin is consolidating in a range. We are currently attacking the value area high right now. Okay, we have this downtrending momentum that we are looking for a breakout retest. Okay, that was the fake out yesterday. Breakout, we could get that today. And we have these liquidity and sell walls above us. Okay, targets to the upside. If we are looking for the major target to the upside, I would just go swing low to or swing high to swing low in here. Sorry, I missed the high right here. Right, and for me, the extension level 120, 125, yeah. So we're looking to come up into here and into here. Okay, these are our two targets for this breakout. Very easy peasy lemon squeezy. So if we are going to break out, we would look to come up to 125, 500 or 128, 600 basically. Okay, swing high to swing low. Okay, extension levels. Very simple. Price discovery, baby. Well, another all-time high, I'm down. Okay, so keep that in the back of your mind that if we do break this high, we could be coming for these levels in the near future. We do have some higher levels that we're interested in, but this would be, first targets if you're currently long off of maybe the low in here or maybe the low in here, right? If we break out retest. Now, before I get you all, smoking the hopium pipe, what I want you to be clear of is there's still a very good chance that we come back for the liquidity in the lows in here. Okay, we do have liquidity in here that we should be well aware of, that we could easily come and grab before we go higher. Okay, easily. We shall see. We shall see. Remember, we're very zoomed in here. Looking at our higher term time frames, the interesting thing in my opinion right now is that we are consolidating and tightening here on the 12-hour and trying to push out. Can we get a continuation out? We want to see a bigger wave is what we want to see. You can see how Bitcoin, it'll consolidate quite tight, and then you'll get the bigger wave. Okay, so we're waiting for that bigger wave. We have not gotten the bigger wave move yet. Okay, it's very probable as well, if we look at this low here to this low here, we can possibly come down to the lows of this range in here. So if we get rejected here, a little fake out, we could come back down to 113,800 and everybody would cry, including me. I'd cry with you guys. We have Kleenex, so we'll be all right. Okay? But we're in a bullish market, so we assume we go up. We position ourselves accordingly. We practice good risk in case we go down. That's it. It's very simple. Okay? And eventually one of these will do this. Right? You get long throughout here, you're doing okay. You're doing okay because you get that move. Okay? Even in here, you might have gotten swept in here, but you still can jump on that trend, okay? And that's kind of what we're expecting. Now, is it going to happen now? Probably not. It never happens when you expect it. We have an insanely volatile week ahead. We have crypto stuff coming out on Wednesday. We got jobs today. We got inflation, interest rates tomorrow. We got core PCE on Thursday, Friday. We got non-farm payrolls. This is the most heaviest week you're going to have going into August, okay? End of the month into August, quite a doozy, okay? But this does look good, okay? The daily here. The thing I liked about the daily this morning was that we didn't engulf this bullish candle. We retraced the candle, but we pushed back enough to not engulf it. So that's a good sign. And this has the opportunity to push, okay? The 4, the 3, the 2, the 1 here. The 4-hour looks juicy AF, looking to push on this green dot confirmation. The 3-hour as well, pushing up here. Lots of room to the upside here. This will create a bearish divergence, though, if we do push up too fast, too hard. See? Okay. Looks like I'm going to get stopped out here, friends. Quick $50 to start the day. Hip, hip, hooray. Oh, it's going to keep going. Okay. We'll see. Going back to this analysis here. So yeah, if we push up too fast here, we could definitely bear div. So that's something to be aware of here on Market Cipher. That would be a very nice fake out, especially if you grab some liquidity out of these highs and then you rejected. That would be pretty bearish in my opinion. Okay. And if we get the change in structure here, we'll short it. Okay, very easily. You just need to wait for the confirmation of the downtrend. What's interesting right now when looking at this market structure says that we have put in a low here. And this is a lower high. So really we do want to take this high here to kind of change the trajectory of this, because really this is higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, lower high. So we should possibly be expecting another lower low. Just putting it out there, not trying to be the bearer of bad news, but things I'm aware of. And short-term time frame scalper, I mean, like, these are things that, you know, if we get a reversal here, we can possibly get short and take that below this low here into the golden pocket 786 retracement level that we're well aware of that we want to trade into. Okay? A little bit of hopium morning pump into market dump in the afternoon. Typically what happens, right? If they send it up on you, they're typically going to slap it down going into market open, and then they'll go up. Okay, so you'll have the fake out to the upside, you'll have the rug pull, and then you'll have the actual move. So it's always three moves, always thinking threes with trading. Threes in trading is so powerful. Okay, triple tops. Stopped out there. GG's, everybody. Got on the hopium ride, made a quick $50. Okay, stopped out there. On to the next one, which is cool. We'll see if it does want to continue to rip here. But always threes. Triple tops, right? Triple bottoms, three drives. Let's face it, there wouldn't be a three drives pattern in TradingView if it wasn't important, okay? They would not put this here. Even though nobody uses it, they've put it here, okay? There you go. Three drives. Very important. Right? Very important. Threes are strong. The 2 hour here. 2 hour here needs to go. It needs to push, right? You can see the bounce off the zero line right now on the VWAP. So this still needs to continue to be a grower and a shower, okay? The 1 hour here, VWAP crossover push to the upside, trying to go. Not a big fan of the 1 hour right now. Looks like a trigger wave to the downside, right? Hidden anchored trigger wave, right? This is the hidden part. This could be bearish. Something to be aware of. Nice push so far. We'll see if Bitcoin can continue here. Very interested down here. So that's kind of where I'm at. If this, then that. Patience right now. Choppy market. Take what you can. Participate safely. Early take profits. And hit base hits, man. Base hits all day. Singles and doubles all day. Singles and doubles. Okay. No, the home run. If this ran, then we hit a home run, right? We got 30K still left on this trade. We go up. We maybe make $600 on that trade if we come up to here. Cool. Right? If not, we've made $50 on to the next one. Be the turtle and be the goldfish. Short-term memory, okay? Short-term memory, patience, right? We had FOMO, but we used our skills enough to mitigate our risk with the FOMO. So maybe not a good trade. This was the trade that we should have taken, and we did give it to everybody this morning. I did not get into it, so I had the FOMO, and I took the trade afterwards, but I managed my risk accordingly. Okay, and I got away with a little win. Milan, good morning. Good to see you. Steve Hickey, hope you're doing well. Kayoshi. Chris is in here. Cash Oak, SEI, and ICP are screaming. No brainer. Okay. Everybody dance now. My son loves that. Like, was he dancing? He was dancing, right? My wife just opened the door and she said he was dancing. He's bouncing. I could. Oh man, that's too funny. He loves that. He just starts. He's 11 months, and he's just like. Gotta love it, man. Nothing better. Little man. Little man likes a good tune. So cute, man. So cute. Thank God he looks like his mother. Infinite Team TA. What's going on, bro? Good to see you in the chat. Jen X, Alexandra G, Randy Hipper, Wayne C. What kind of sandwich did your wife make you this morning, Wayne C? I'm thinking of ham and cheese again. Or maybe a tuna sandwich. What's going on, Army Piper in the chat? My man. God bless, bro. Hopefully you're doing well. Thanks for the call yesterday. Hopefully you're doing well. Paper Planes. Just cover it. Good to see you, bro. I got to get back to you on that trade setup. Just cover it. Sorry about that. I've been busy. Bad Baptist, what's going on, man? How you been? Good to see you. Long time. Not really a long time, actually. Good to see you, bro. How you been? JR, my brother, what's going on? Yukon Brahmantha. Good morning, gang. Let's. Still waiting here. Yeah, looking lower for Tau. Doge. Doge is in that second buy level as well. We were looking for this. I mean, a lot of good calls on this long here. 10% moves for a lot of the longs. SNEC, I think they made me do SNEC as well. Yeah, looking lower for SNEC. How's that Pengu doing? Oh, what a trade setup on Pengu. Look at that. Absolute banger. Absolute banger, mate. 28% move. Just handing them out like hot cakes. Aerodrome rolling over. Jeez. Hyperliquid. What a setup there. 11% on hype. Fartcoin has dumped aggressively. See, there's one. A loser. Thank you. Okay. Now, the trade setup was given when price was up here. So this actually played out, and then it got stopped out. Okay. So if you don't know how to manage your risk, if you're not taking profits after 11% move with a defined TP1, which is this line right here, okay, which it did hit, your stop loss should go to entry after you hit this area. So, but it's a loser now, right? Loser. Lay who they her. Okay, so we're not perfect. This is why you must manage your risk. Near in a bounce area. XRP. XRP people are probably pretty sad. You're down what? Oof, 20% from your highs. XRP is crying. Sui in that bounce level. Looking for that bounce level. Golden pocket. Retracement. We'll see if it does go. Bitcoin trying to push here. Looking for the SFP of the high. Can we get above this trend line right here? 119,574. It's going to be an interesting one. It is 9 o'clock. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out this morning. I've got to get some more coffee. So I'm going to leave you guys with a tune. Okay? This is the best tune in all of crypto. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Smash those like buttons. Subscribe if you're new. We're on our way to 15,000 subscribers. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Oh, we lost 30 people, man. I guess the song wasn't that good. I think it is. Don't look at me for the TRB. All right. Rookie numbers, baby. Blue collar trader, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Chat master, what's going on? Good to see you, Gen X. Hopefully you're doing well. Andy, Bitcoin Census, my bro. What's going on, man? How you doing? God bless you, man. Did you get that 100K? You got to be at 100K now. What? 99.4, bro. If you guys want to learn some Elliott waves and some Fibonacci's, this is the man. What's going on, Andy? Hopefully you're doing well, man. You're almost there, bro. Man, that must be frustrating. Guys, go and subscribe to Andy, man. Let's get him to 100K. Hopefully you're doing well, brother. God bless. Hope all is well, man. Just chilling here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Lightio, what's going on, man? Good to see you as well. But not you, Cake. You got to go. All right. You guys all picking on Cake, man. I don't know. Whoever voted Steak, you guys can leave. Anyways, Philly Skills. What you know about juice? Pocket fat, chips low. Let's go. AlexOCrypto. Hopefully you're doing well, man. Gen X nonstop. Good morning. Good to see you. Hopefully you're doing well. People messaging me on. Jesus. Can you guys hear that ding? Put a 1 in the chat. Can you hear the ding? Steak is life. Alexandra G. Are you married, Alexandra G? You can hear that. I'm going to tell. See. Why is it dinging, man? Settings, Telegram. Shut up. Telegram, shut up, man. How do I shut up Telegram? Stake is life and you're not married. Jeez, we're going to have to find you a nice husband. Or husbandina. Jeez. How can you not be married and say stake is life? I do not know how to mute this thing, man. Speakers and camera. I don't know. I'll figure it out after. People trying to sell me stuff. Telegram's horrible, man. I keep getting like Rachel says hello, or like random ladies, right? And you know it's a dude. You know it's a dude trying to scam you, right? It's Elena. Hey, what's going on? Like, how the heck did you find my Telegram? And who the hell are you? And I know you are probably some hairy man in India in a telephone booth, right? Just saying. It's typically what it is. Named whatever, or some hairy man in Florida named Roger, trying to get your seed phrase. Right? My name is Courtney. Alexandra G and Andy. Let's set up a date. I think that would be good. We could do it like via Discord. Andy can pull his fib, and Alexandra G can show you her wrench. Okay? I don't know if that makes any sense. That might be a little bit naughty. I don't know where your minds just went. But guys, don't mess with Alexander G's wrench, okay? You see, this is what happens when you don't use the stop loss, you idiots. This is what happens. You see the price right here, right there? You're going to get wrecked. You got the FOMO and you didn't pay yourself. Now you're getting dumped on. All right? Crypto Delete, what's going on? Looks like he used to have a ponytail in his construction days. I did not. No, I used to have a buzz cut because it's hot. Coming down here, looking for a sweep of the lows, retest Fibonacci level here. So sweep of the highs, Fibonacci level, golden pocket 786, retest of highs. This is your buy level if you're looking for continuation. Okay. Fair value gap. Lots of confluence in this area. Confluence, as the Americans say. I say confluence, but you can say confluence if you like. I like vehicle better than vehicle, so. Is that you rapping? No way, man. I ain't got no rapping skills. I can beatbox. That's why I beatbox, because all my friends wanted to rap, and I was not. I can play basketball, but I'm not like a rapper or, I ain't got no flow. I drop the beat. My friends used to like freestyling, 90s kids, right? They all wanted to be Eminem. And they were all bad. But guess what? I didn't embarrass myself. I just dropped the beat, okay? Oh, good times, man. We're having a good time today. We're 3 for 3 on the live stream so far, man. We just trying to kick ass, take names, man. That's a hell of a wrench. What you think of Ethereum at the moment? Ethereum is looking all right. Okay, retest to previous highs, continuation out. We gave the buy level to our Discord yesterday. Okay, yesterday, buy. Okay, nice buy level here. retest to previous highs this morning. So you had the retest back into our buy zone. You had the breakout, retest to previous highs this morning. Gave that as well. I said on the break of momentum, you could possibly get long. You got the break of momentum, so you'd be up a little bit right now. Still can come down though, lower, right? Still, depending on Bitcoin right now. A little bit of patience here. We got some pivots below us and above us. So we're kind of stuck in the middle here when it comes to the previous day pivots. We have our high up here at 119,800. And then we have the low at 117,400, the lows of the previous day. Then we have a couple of things that we didn't tap this here. This is probably the open, and the close is probably up here. Open would be here. Yeah. And then the close would be here. Yeah. So stuck in the middle of these pivots, which means, 50-50. We could go either way. Either way is about a 1% move in each direction. So try to participate safely. Right now we are pushing. We have made a higher high and a higher low on a short-term time frame, but on a higher-term time frame, we have sort of switched structure in here. This is my concern, is that we lost this low over here, suggesting that if we fail to get above this high here, that we could come lower. Okay, this could just be this would be a higher low, a higher high, a lower low, a lower high. Then we would look for a, sort of an ABC, and then we would go, right? We'll see. They want to sell us the hopium, right? So we don't want to be a victim of that. We do have jobs coming at us today at 10 a.m. So we could get a little bit of chop into 10 a.m. beforehand. So let's be very diligent here. The NASDAQ does look like it wants to retest this area in here. Okay, the SPY here is pushing. This is a nice break on the SPY, looking quite strong this morning. So we'll see if we gap up or down. I would expect probably a gap down, guys. So we'll see how we go on the SPY this morning. Bitcoin flagging out right now, trying to continue after this breakout retest of the VWAP and continuation, break of momentum that we were tracking this morning. Okay. Perfect retest and continuation trade was given in advance. I didn't take it there. I took it over here and I got out in profits. Okay. We'll see if this wants to continue to push here. A little bit of patience in here. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, smacking up like buttons. 270 people on here, 130 likes. Let's get that up to 200, please. I would really appreciate that. And if you are new here, we're live every Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m., live trading Bitcoin, hanging out with you guys, kicking ass, taking names. We're almost at 15,000 subscribers. We're at 14,826. So if you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like button, sharing it out, subscribing, all that good stuff, it does mean a lot to me. We want to be growers and showers at the same time, okay? Short to 50K. That would be wild, wouldn't it? Shamitris, what's going on? Good morning. Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Jobs going to be way up. Jobs right now are just saying JOLTS job openings. So they have been increasing here. Okay. Right now it's suggesting that they're coming down, though. It's suggesting that jobs are going to drop here. So if we are still creating... See, the thing is if jobs keeps going up and it doesn't come down, there's no incentive for them to cut rates. We want jobs to drop it like it's hot. We want people to lose their jobs. Isn't that weird? Lose your job so we can cut interest rates, okay? Interesting. It's all contrarian, isn't it? It's all contrarian. Coming into market open here, 9:14. Okay, looking at Bitcoin here, the hourly printing a green dot. This is looking juicy. Crossing over the midline here. So this is looking okay here on the hourly. Holding the zero line too on stochastics, which is bullish. Okay. The 30-minute here after that hourly candle print, right? We can see the trigger wave on the 30-minute. Resetting on VWAP, coming back down to the zero line within the next half hour. Okay. Money flow is coming back in. However, anchor trigger wave here. So Anchor, trigger, anchor, trigger. So we would like to see this turn up quite aggressively here. We have an indecision candle up at the high here. So uncertainty, possibly. Can it push back? We'll see. Okay, 15-minute candle here as well. We have a trigger wave to the downside with VWAP coming down. Okay, this could be an aggressive sell-off here unless we bounce off that zero line within the next 15 minutes. This does not look like a bounce right now. This looks like a rejection. Bearish engulfing candle here. There you go. There's your candle print. Okay, flattening out. Flattening out, so a little bit of hopium in here. Not straight down, but flattening out. We'll see. Some hopium. We always like a little bit of hopium in here. But yeah, a trigger wave here. We need Bitcoin to bounce off the zero line here if we are to look for continuation to the upside. A nice bounce out of here. Hammer candle, engulfing, continuation out. Okay. 3 minute here flagging out, looking for continuation out. I would prefer for us to come back and sweep here. 118. Come down, sweep, and then go. That would be the best, in my opinion. Why? Because there's still liquidity fair value gaps in here. This is a golden pocket retracement level that I'm interested in. We did tap it here, but could we come down and fully sweep it? That would be cool. Prepared for that. Also prepared for this thing to launch to Valhalla. So either way, hopefully we can take advantage of price action today. Thank you, everybody, for being here and hanging out with me every single day. It's good fun, man. Good fun. 1 for 1 today. 2 for 2 yesterday. I'm happy we got away $900 day yesterday on Monday. For me, we all know that Monday, about 3 months ago, I looked at all my results for the last 6 months of trading, and Mondays were all red, basically. I was 2 for 20 something. It was ugly. So I'm like, okay, I got to change something on Mondays. It's very important to look at your P&L, your calendar, how you're trading on certain days, right? Typically, people either struggle midweek or the ends, right? The beginning and ends. Monday, Fridays, or they struggle Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or they really, they give it away all on Wednesday. There's some typical patterns, right? Because you have Monday false move. You have Friday going into the weekend, setting up price for the weekend, right? Then you have midweek reversal, which is Wednesday. So people are generally okay Tuesday and Thursday, but these 3 days will F you up if you don't, right? So do we have false move Monday, right? Is this our false move Monday coming down yesterday? Possibly, right? So Tuesday should be a general trading day, which means buy low, sell high, trade the trend, range bound, who knows, right? Okay. But then Wednesday, midweek reversal. So let's say we dump today. We can look for that recovery Wednesday, right? Now, what's the big perplexity in this week? There's a lot of friggin' data, okay? There's a lot of jobs data, inflation data, whatever data, call me what you want, but highly manipulated week, which means chop and pop, right? It means chop sideways and drop it on your head, chop sideways and pop it on your face, whatever. So that's why we must be very, very stingy with our risk management. Look at yesterday, right? Yesterday was a clean down move, VWAP slap. That was one trade you should have taken yesterday. You needed to take one trade yesterday, short from here. But look how many times they came back to get you on this move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They even changed structure on you once. Okay? They even changed structure on you once. At the point of control. They effed with everybody yesterday. Yesterday was not an easy day for a lot of people. Okay? Nice pushback here, 920. NASDAQ putting in a lower low. Suggests it's going to come back down. Okay. failing to hold this uptrend sweep of the low. That would have been okay if we hadn't put in another sweep of the low. Okay. Not looking too strong here. We'll see how the SPY opens. I'm interested because it closed very strong yesterday. Extremely strong yesterday going into that. Did I share out the video this morning? I don't think I did. I'm just going to share it out to the Discord. I don't know if I shared it out to even Twitter this morning. Sometimes I forget. I don't know if it helps. Does anybody find my post on Twitter and come to the live stream? Put a 1 in the chat. Have you done that before? I just shared it out. 10 minutes? Never. Yeah, see? Froth Dog, what's going on, man? Likes were made for smashing. How you doing, Froth Dog? Hopefully you're doing well. Bitcoin. We'll see if it does want to come into our buy zone here. A little bit of a hopium pump this morning. Okay, getting everybody trapped. We'll see how it reacts this morning. Thank you guys for being here. So we did have a poll going on about cake and stuff, but we got to change that, man. We got to go. Okay, so we're going to go pick one if on. You only get one. You're stuck on an island. Matches. Machete. I don't think I spelled that right. Carp. Fishing rod. Ooh, I like this one. None of you are going to pick tarp, okay? None of you. But what if you can make a raft out of a tarp, right? You know, like a floating device? Just saying. I'm just saying. Who's got better polls than AlexOCrypto? I don't think anyone got. Everybody be Bitcoin up or down. Like, you're boring, bro. I'm sorry, you're boring. You're boring. Bitcoin up or down, man. Fucking hell. I just swore. Oh my God. I've been doing good with the swearing. I've been doing so good with the swearing, and I just swore. I'm in trouble. Sorry, Billy. Forgive me, man. You know what? This has been actually a good swear jar count, man. We've been doing actually really professional. Really a higher high on Dixie. Ooh, interesting. Okay. Didn't see that. Might be something important there. Bitcoin flagging out. No trade here. Bitcoin up or down. Did I spell machete right? I did. I didn't know if there was 2 T's or not. I'm not the greatest speller, as you guys know. I mean, I took university English, grade 11 and grade 12. Like, I did well in English, but we got spell check, man. There's no reason to learn how to spell these days. Okay? Just like the new generation can't read an analog clock, okay? All right. You know what's the best thing is when you talk about what a Perleys is. Put a 1 in the chat if you know what a Perleys is. Anybody? Pick up a Perleys? A map book? At Pearlie's, man. These were famous until like 2002, man. This would probably sell for something. It's a map book. I remember navigating for my mom when she was driving, and I had to get out this big old hunk of map. I'm like, okay, we're going this way. Oh, man. Fishing rod, eh? You guys think you guys can fish? How you gonna cook the fish? You're just gonna have sushi. You're gonna have sushi for life. They never made them across the pond. Oh, okay. A map book, I guess. I only know Felipe only knows the pearl necklace. Oh man, I love my crowd here. You guys are absolute raunchy. What's going on, Jeanette? Jeanette, how have you put up with me for 3 years? I don't know how you've done it. Jeanette deserves an award. What's going on? Good morning, Jeanette. God bless you. Nice push here. All right. Come on, Biddy. Do your thing. I followed you for some time and I've never seen your X posts. See? I'm shadow banned, man. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. Scott, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Thank you for being here as well, Golden Child. LCID Motors. Need to run away already. No jobs. I'm trading the otter pattern. Okay. What's the otter pattern? When I first started streaming, I used to take the otter and I used to spin it. Remember, Jeanette? I used to go, which way do we think price is going to go? Down and to the left. Got to start somewhere, guys. Oh, man. Memory lane. I used to make my wife stand out on our balcony in the crane position with our internet router because Sydney, Australia has horrible internet. So I used to make my wife stand out on the balcony with the router in the crane position and just kind of point it towards the satellites. Didn't work. 2 minutes here, everybody. I don't think you guys know how to fish. I bet you guys can't even tie a knot, let alone fish. Bitcoin Dreamer prefers a hot girl. Yeah, but you don't know if she's going to like you, Bitcoin Dreamer. A hot girl, you're stuck on an island with her. She could just not like you. She could just make you go out there and fish, which is typically what we like to do anyways. Could you please update your tokens that you think is best to put from TIA as it underperforms? So I'm rotating into some ETH plays right now. Aerodrome is my other play, base play. So Aerodrome, Pepe, and Virtuals. That's where I'm rotating a little bit of my capital. I announced that I announced a buy the other day, last week, lucky deal. Same in. We've looked at Tau. We're looking for a little bit lower on Tau as well. Coming into market open here, we got 20 seconds, everybody. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Jeanette's laughing. She knows. Good morning, How? 2 for YouTubers, Golden Child. Even your live streams are hidden. Yeah, they're shadow banning me right now. I mean, we were getting like 30 to 50 subscribers a day. Now we're getting like 20. So I guess too much alpha. So that's why I ask you guys to like hit the like button and stuff like that. It does make a big difference. If you wouldn't mind. Making a fire is easier than making a fishing rod is my logic. Ding, 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 ding. SPY. Oh my God, look at the gap. Guys, holy smokes. Big gap. NASDAQ ripping. Bitcoin trying to rip as well. If you're not long, you're wrong. SPY flying. NASDAQ ripping. Bitcoin flat. No trade here yet, everybody. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live stream. 320 people here, smacking up legs, hanging out every morning. God bless you guys. Thank you for being here. If you are new here, please subscribe. We're live every single day, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. trading this live. We've taken one trade from the low here up to the high here, and now we're waiting for a re-entry. We'll see if we get it. SPY looking bullish. Now coming back down, okay? The hopium is for real. SFP here on the NASDAQ looking strong as well. Bitcoin coming down as we speak, okay? We'll see how we go here. Looking for continuation to the upside. No trade just yet. I would like for Bitcoin to come back down into this area here, right around 118,600. We'll see if we get there. Okay, just looking for another higher low continuation out. Okay, looking for the liquidity sweep of this high over here. We do have a threat to the downside, though. If we do come to the downside, I am looking for the point of control previous day pivot over here to hold, so we could possibly break down SFP, bounce, and go. That's a possibility. We'll see what we get, okay? For now, looking for a continuation, okay? Nice push up, getting everybody a little bit overly bullish this morning, including myself. I managed to escape with a $50 profit. We'll see if we do want to hold here. Big blow off top here on the NAS. Okay. Same with the SPY. Okay. So big gap up and a big downwards trend here. So coming back and filling that gap here, probably downside for Bitcoin. A little bit of patience here. Just hovering around 118,800. We'll see. We're flagging out here. We have made a higher high on the short-term time frames, looking for a continuation here. Our 12-hour does look a little bit bearish right now with the trigger wave to the downside. Anchor trigger on the 12-hour, the 24 as well. We have a trigger wave to the upside, but trying to break out of this kind of downwards consolidation. The warning is that we lost this low over here yesterday. So the bulls were not able to defend these lows. We'll see if they can push back up here. Bitcoin chopping sideways. Okay. Like to see continuation up right now, but no trade for me. We're just a little bit too high for my liking for us to possibly take a stab at a long. NASDAQ continues to push up. Okay. Bitcoin trying to continue. We'll see if it does want to continue here. Nice push. Look at this for the, my God, we're pushing on the US 100 right now, which is like a tell into the NASDAQ. Okay, it's a little bit quicker to react than the NASDAQ. You can see that the NASDAQ's down here. I do like the US 100 a little bit more for confluence within Bitcoin price action. The SPY's retesting the highs now, looking for a push. Bitcoin continuing to try to push here. We'll see if it does want to continue upwards. Still waiting here. Let me know in the chat. Are you long or are you short? Put a 1 in the chat if you are long. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Dave Digital in the chat. What's going on, bro? God bless you. Hopefully you're doing well. I'm going to build a tarp pontoon yacht, says Sharkfin. Let's go, man. Starlink now. Let's go, Chris. That's the way. Mrs. Otter. We love Mrs. Otter. She's the best, yeah. You're funny, Golden God. We got a bunch of longs in here. We got our pink on his wanking chariot, number 4. Okay. Enticing buyers to come in right now. No trade. Long, long, long. Sitting on hands, Dave Digital. Sitting on hands. A couple of you guys are long. Do you think the SPY and NAS push is about to previous growth of M2? I am bullish on the Russell, Lucky Deal. Still needs to get into expansion, though. I know it's just for fun, but if you're not long, you're wrong. Could be some of the stuff that YouTube demonetized you for. Yeah, probably, man. It's fine. I mean, there's multiple statements in my description in the beginning of the stream that say this is not financial advice. I constantly say that. So, I mean, I don't know what else to do. It's not my your guess is as good as mine, right? So, at the end of the day, I know what I do and I have a good conscience, right? Like I know that, I see other YouTubers give price predictions and a lot of bullshit, and I will swear there and not, I show my trades. I take my trades. I tell you not to take my trades. I let you know what I do. I'm transparent. I say this is dangerous. It's trading. You're risking your money. And that's it, man. I have no kind of no qualms about it, man. I think I do it better. Not better. I don't think I'm the best trader in the world. I am profitable, and I have been for over 2.5 years. So, but I mean, I'm not here to sell you shit. I'm here to just trade and hang out with you guys. You guys do what the hell you want. You guys are grown-ass people. It's frustrating, right? It's frustrating because you try to have integrity in this space, and then you get shat on by YouTube. And that's how it goes, man. I sleep well at night. I got long last night on Asia sweep on New York low. Nice, nonstop. That 2-hour trigger wave played out quite nicely. Chopping about here. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Beautiful push. Beautiful push here. That's great. Bitcoin coming back down right now. Okay. Not a good relation between the two here. Took a week off from work and trading. Now let's get back to making them gains, baby. Yeah. Whenever you take a break, I always suggest you go half a position size right away. Don't go full position size. Don't go full bore, right? Just little singles, right? You don't even want to hit doubles or triples, man. Just singles, right? And good risk management. Like when you get back on, like even when I got back from my London or from my England trip, I went half a position size my first 2 trades, right? Then I came on and I took $100 win. It was really slow motion. But it's like it's riding a bike, but it's also like you're riding a bike, you want to be riding down the same trail every single day. If you're going down a mountain bike trail, right, you know where that big ass rock is that you need to kind of stay left from, right? Like it's your familiarity. And I think also market conditions change weekly, right? I think that's another thing is like you go into chop consolidation versus euphoric pump. You can end up having a bias that's not relevant to the market that you're currently trading, right? So your bias before you went on holiday, maybe we were in up-only mode. Maybe the alts were running, right? Now you're in a bit of a retracement consolidation area. So it's like you need to get into that environment first before you start putting on heavy risk. And I think that's critical to success. It's critical. Maybe YouTube should just flash a banner on every channel that this is all entertainment. Yeah, man. That's it. I mean, I can put a banner up right now and say this is never financial advice. It's your money, man. I think, I look to make $300 to $1,200 a day. $300 a day is $50,000 a year. I'm not trying to like be I'd like to, and it's beautiful how scalable. What just happened there? What just happened there? Whoa. TradingView just went berserk. Did you guys see that? What the heck just happened? Okay. That just disappeared. TradingView is having a fart. Do you think someone reported you? Probably, man. People are butthurt, right? I mean, if someone's a douche canoe in my chat, I call them out, man. I don't care. Like, don't come in here, watch me, and then talk shit, right? You're a VWAP slap master. I do like a VWAP slap. I didn't take this one here, and I should have taken this one yesterday. My God, that was the one. That was the slap yesterday. Good patience here, everybody. Little retracement here on the NAS. SPY flatten out. New high, though. That's a good sign. Dixie rolling over is bullish. 330 people here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. If we could get those likes up to 200, that'd be bloody awesome, please. Bloody awesome. Awesome possum. It was me who reported. I took one of your morning trades and I lost $23. I blamed you in giving your financial advice. It's perfect, man. That's perfect. Rolling over a little bit here. Don't come here talking shit. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, there's a lot of people come in and just, We are proper hot dogs. Yeah. You make trading look easy? No. I've put in volume. That's it. I'm not special. I swing a hammer. I was highly motivated by back pain and getting off the tools. So I put in more volume than anyone. That's what I did. That's how I got good at trading. 10 hours a day on the charts. Teaching in 4 Discords. I started a YouTube to learn faster. That was it. It wasn't to be a YouTuber. It's nice hanging out with you guys. Trading's lonely. So it's nice to hang out. How do you manage back pain with your golf swing? I think I'm pretty athletic, so for me, as long as I can't rotate as far as I would like to back on my backswing, so I just kind of compensate that way, but I did trade while I was on site. Don't tell my boss. Oh my God, should have taken this trade. Nice candle. Looking for a continuation here. Did anybody take that? My God, that was quick though. That was quick. That was quick. I didn't take that. Maybe give us another try here. Rolling over here, anchor trigger wave. Little concerning. We have orb now, everybody. See if we can get follow through to the upside here. If we lose, or if we break above orb, we can get going here. Considering a long here. Let's see how this candle goes here. 12 hours in our face, though, or 12 minutes in our face. 12 minutes still in our face here. It's our 8-minute. 8-minute VWAP reset. I'd like to see follow through here, at least to sweep this high. Preferably sweep these highs in here. Down we come. Retested the highs here on NAS. See if orb will hold here. Orb and VWAP. This is still our buy zone. Coming back, giving us another chance possibly. Coming down in here. I'd like to see a pushback here. I'm going to take a stab here, guys. Stop loss below VWAP. We'll see if we push here. I just like this bullish momentum in here. I like the volume in this candle. I like the retest in here. A couple of double fake outs. Retested the highs. VWAP. Looking for a continuation out. See if we can push. At least back up into the highs. Top of orb. Just got to bounce here. SPY's looking gross too. I'd like to see the bounce here on the Nas. Not looking good. It's not looking good. Might get stopped out here. Maybe a little bit rushed. If this can zip back up, we might be all right. I don't think so, though. Rushed. I think we rushed here. Yeah, we rushed for sure. Should have waited at least for VWAP. Probably going to get stopped out here. See if it bounces back. Damn, Daniel. Grain farmer and rancher, 18 acres, Southwest Texas. That's cool, man. Dusty got stopped. That's a tight stop loss, man. News in 10 minutes. Yep. Jobs. Jobs coming at us hard. Trying to hold here. Come on, Orb. Do your thing. Good morning, Felipe. Good morning. Dude, I'm a carpenter too, and I'm studying as much as possible to save my body. That's awesome seeing you succeed. Yeah, man. 13 years. Journeyman carpenter, bro. Done it all. Done it all. Tired. It's tiring. It's hard work. Hard work. Industrial formwork, building custom homes, a little bit of scaffolding, a little bit of trim work, kitchen. I would not get Neuralink if it helped my trading. Coming back break even here. Bounce. Look at the volatility coming in for the Nas. Holy smokes. Put a 1 in the chat if you think I should close the trade. Put a 2 in the chat if I should hold the trade. We got 8 minutes till data comes out. That's a choppy. Come on, Bitcoin, push it, baby. Bounce, Nas. Bounce, SPY. Everything's bouncing time. We need a pump song or something. Where's Jason Casper when we need him, man? 370 people in here, 193 likes. If you wouldn't mind, 7 more likes. 7 more likes. Push it, baby. I do not want to hold this into I don't want to hold this into the news data, but we got 6 minutes. Jason is short. Okay. Now he's tall AF, man. Biddy's being a namby-pamby, man. You gotta go. You gotta go, man. It's go time. Not. Probably gonna get stopped out here. I think I'm early, right? Like, I think I was too early to this trade. Don't tell anybody, okay? Losing orb here. Not looking good. Not looking good. 12-minute in your face. I think that's what I missed here. 12-minute trigger wave. Like, it's kind of silly. Yeah, stopped out. Stopped out? You going to hit it or not? You got to take that. Take it, Biddy. Stopped out. $300 loss. On to the next one. It's going to bounce now. That's how it goes. Coming into news data now. We'll see how it goes. Silly. Silly trade. It's all right. Lesson to be learned. On to the next one. Thank you guys for getting those likes up. I appreciate it. You got to report me again. Yeah, I would. Got 3 minutes till news. Choppity, choppity, chop, chop. Nas bleeding. Bitcoin bleeding. Pretty ugly here. Could have got out break even on that. I just, I wanted to see if it came back up break even here. Could have continued out. Not for me. On to the next one. So now we look for VWAP to hold or SFP of the low in here at 118. We got a news data coming out right now. 2 minutes, everybody, for news. So no trade right now. We just wait. Chopping about, man. Kind of nasty price action really this morning. What do you guys think? Jobs numbers up or down, everybody? Up or down? Jobs numbers. What was that noise? That was a trading alert. Don't forget Alex trades again today. Yeah, I do. 2:30 Eastern Standard Time. I'm late, been lurking. Good to see you, DDT. Hamish, what's going on? Come on, Betty. Here it comes. Ten seconds. Ooh, exciting. 10 seconds. And it should be out. Coming down. It's down. Jobs are down. Which should be bullish. Jobs are down. Jobs are down. Price action didn't even flinch. Okay. Didn't even flinch. That's wild. What? Okay. Bitcoin rolling over here. No trade. Stopped out once. $100. Down $200 today, so lost 300, made 100. See if we do want to hold VWAP here. No trade right now. Thank you everybody for being here. I'll be updating the Discord on what I'm looking for. Thank you guys so much for being here, slapping up that like button, supporting the channel. It means the world to me. Have a wonderful, wonderful trading day. We'll get them back. Thank you for being here. God bless you. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll blow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this game. Participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto.